So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down until you find Windows Update. You want to right click on it and then click on stop. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. So for me, it's on my C drive. I've got the Windows logo right here. You want to double click on it. And then you want to click on Windows. And then you want to scroll down until you find software distribution. Here it is for me. You want to double click on it. And then you want to double click on download. And now you want to delete all the items that you find in this folder. So you want to click on Ctrl+A on your keyboard and then click on delete. And then click on use for all current items, check this, and then click on continue. And now for the third step, you want to head over to your desktop, you want to find the recycle bin, you want to right click on it, click on empty recycle bin, and then click on yes.